Hi, good morning. Another day, another surgery. So, our cases for today, we have 3 cases. No? Yung first is Gore-Tex rhinoplasty virgin case. No? So, hindi pa siya nagpagawa anything, threads or fillers, wala po. So, virgin case, mas maganda po gawin. First time is always the best time for rhinoplasty. Actually, in all surgeries, first time is always the best time. So, kukuha po tayo ng cartilage for the tip and Gore-Tex for the bridge, alar trimming, baba flap. Ang second case is revision Gore-Tex rhinoplasty. Well, actually, hindi pa makadecide kung Gore-Tex or irradiated rib ang gagamitin. Irradiated dermis ang gagamitin. Or we're just going to remove the implant kasi meron siyang, she's an OFW, no, from Canada, balikbayan from Canada. Meron po siyang silicone implant, pero according to her, namaga po yung ilong niya. Actually, malaki yung nose niya. Hindi ko alam kung ganun talaga yon or what. Pero pag nakita po ninyo, it's swollen. Malaki siya. So, I will decide intra-op kung anong dapat gawin. Irradiated dermis, Gore-Tex, pwede, or we'll just going to remove the implant. So, intraoperative po yan. And the third case is breast augmentation. Done case po yan ng ating training fellow. We will show you mamaya. And who is the surgeon? Our training fellow. No? So, those are our cases for the day. Another day, another surgery. Hi, I'm done with Gore-Tex rhinoplasty for this virgin case. No? So, I did overhang correction. Medyo severe yung kanyang overhanging ila. No? Babang-baba yung kanyang ila. So, I have to do yung overcorrection ng hanging ila. So, yung kanyang tip is upturn, no? Rotated tip. So, I need to derotate. Kailangan pahabain. So, I have to put cartilage doon sa may infratip dito po. No? So, I did a septal extension graft, then cartilage for the infratip. So, that's our tip now. We have our supratip break, then the tip, the V-tip, then the Gore-Tex. Ang ganda po ng from the nasofrontal angle up to the tip. The proportion is very nice. So, ang ganda po, no? Hindi na po ako nag-alar trimming because masyado na pong leliit yung butas ng ilong, no? Nung na-lift, her nostril is like this, then ni-lift it like that. Masyado nang maliit pag nag-alar trimming pa and the baba flap. So I did not do that. So I will see her after 6 days. Another day, another surgery. Hi, I'm done with the revision rhinoplasty. No? So, actually the patient came in na severe swelling sa kanyang nose several years ago. Paulit-ulit daw yung kanyang discharge. So hanggang sa lumaki na yung kanyang nose. So when I open it up, ang daming granuloma. So severe infection talaga. When I remove the implant, papakita po namin kung gaano itsura ng kanyang implant. There is severe infection. No? So I remove the implant, remove the granuloma, remove the pus. Binawasan po natin yung fibrosis, yung peklat, no? Dahil sa chronic infection, nagkakaroon po ng severe swelling. So severe peklat din po 'yon. So binawasan po natin, pero we cannot remove everything, no? We can only do so much dahil infected po siya. Then instead of placing a Gore-Tex because it's infected, I place the cartilage doon sa bridge. So, wala pong chance of infection. No? So, ito pong nasa bridge niya is cartilage. I also place a cartilage sa columella dahil yung pinaglagay niyang kanyang strat, masyadong malaki, very wide. And nagkaroon ng severe infection din doon. So, I have to place a cartilage also. So, ito na po. Lumiit na yung kanyang ilong. So, I will see her after 6 days. Sana wag masyado mag-swell. That's it. Another day, another surgery. Hi, we're done doing the breast augmentation done case. So, we placed, how many cc, Doc?
300.
300 cc above the muscle kasi merong sufficient amount of breast tissue yung patient natin. So, pwedeng above the muscle, no? So, subglandular. So, our surgeon, no? Ang napakagaling, no? From China. China, Cebu. Dr. Mark Siu, no? And another surgeon. Di mo, tuwan-tuwa yung pasyente natin, di ba? Talagang happy. And our other surgeon is Dr. J.R. Gulayan, no? And then assist is si Dr. Tor Cuerdo. No, sila po yung ating mga magagaling na surgeons of the Philippine Academy of Aesthetic Surgery. So they'll be graduating soon. No, sila po yung ating future cosmetic surgeons, no? Okay po ba, ma'am?
Yeah.
Oh, yan. Happy po yung patient natin. So that's it. Another day, another surgery.